Hello, everyone. This is Cara, and she's going to give us a little testimonial today. The first question we're going to ask Cara is to tell us how she found out about our office, Lyceum Physical Medicine.
So I just live in the neighborhood, which is pretty much how I found out. I live super close, so I was able to walk. So that was
Excellent.
my
Convenience is a good thing for sure. Okay. What problems were you having when you first came into the office?
When I first started, I was diagnosed with a herniated disc that was pinching my sciatic nerve.
In your lower back?
So yes. So I had a lot of back pain, a lot of leg pain, a lot of numbness in my calf and in my toes, which was what I needed to work on.
Okay, good. And when you came in, what type of services did you receive when you came in?
So when I first started, it was a lot of just slow, like stretching and exercising and stuff, and then each week progressed to different stretches with like my shoulder, my neck, my lower back, where like the wobble chair was really nice. Helps a lot.
Yeah, that's a good one.
The decompression table was my favorite.
Good.
Just stretches.
Pulls you apart.
Yes.
Good. I like it.
But yeah, the shoulder and the neck ones helped a lot too, because I feel like, well, obviously, the more you work on everywhere on your back, the more
Beautiful.
helps it out.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And I did have a question to ask you about that with your lower back. Did you receive chiropractic care?
Yes.
Medical care? You did some injections?
I personally did not do the injections
Okay.
because I was getting the epidural shot.
Okay.
But I did meet with her every week to make sure we were on the same track.
Beautiful. And so how are you feeling now? Most important question.
Good. 10 times better. So before I started, the surgeon said I needed surgery no matter what, and now I don't.
Excellent.
So that obviously helped a lot.
Yeah, that's
Makes it a lot
fantastic.
better. Random slight back pain here and there, but nothing like it was.
You have some things to do at home they gave you to do at home?
Yes, stretches. I have the TENS unit, a back brace, so everything to do at home.
Excellent.
But
very good. And the last question, what would you recommend Lyceum Physical Medicine to other people?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. I'm a hairstylist, so I have been telling my clients
Oh,
about you guys.
good.
Because a lot of people are local, so I have been recommending you.
Excellent. Thank you
Works
very
out.
much. Well, we hope for continued improvement.
Yes.
And thank you very much, Cara.
Thank you.